Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, western Pickaway County, southeastern Madison County, until 6:30 p.m. At 6:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sabina, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and vehicle-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Sabina, Mount Sterling, Jeffersonville, Williamsport, Bloomingburg, New Holland, Staunton, Harrisburg, Orient, Darbyville, Milledgeville, Octa, Deer Creek Lake, Chenoweth, Interstate 71 at State Route 38, Derby, Jasper Mills, Madison Mills and State Route 207 at U.S. Route 22. This includes Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile marker 62 and 91. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity.